Hello guys, this is Cedric and today introduction of Chain Sniper Bot in version 0.6. So what is Chain Sniper Bot? Chain Sniper Bot is a bot to snipe the tokens on the blockchains. It can be Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum or also KuCoin. We can work on many networks like PancakeSwap, APE-Swap. For Ethereum, it's Uniswap and CoffeeSwap for the KuCoin web blockchain. So why did I make the Chain Sniper Bot? Because as we can see now, the tokens have a lot of anti-bot measure, like the tax on the first block, like the trading lock after the liquidity is added. We can have some max TX amount, so we cannot buy more than a certain amount of tokens. So for all this anti-bot measure, we will have a solution. So let me show you the interface. So we select PancakeSwap, push 1, enter. So here I can see my list of wallets I have in my config file. I will have the amount I want to buy and my balance. So what we can do now, we can snipe a fair launch liquidity. We can snipe DXL launch liquidity because they don't add the liquidity the same way. We can snipe a token trade unlock. So that means when the liquidity is already added, but the token is still locked until the dev unlock it. And we can snipe also tokens timestamp unlock. So that means the token will be unlocked at a set time. We can also approve the token and sell the token with the bot. And there is also a last function. This is the rug checker. So the rug checker is automatic. As soon as you enter into the sell mode, you will have the rug checker activated. So if there is any attempt to remove the liquidity of the token, the bot will detect it. And it will detect it in the mempool, and it will try to front run the liquidity removal by selling the whole tokens before the liquidity is removed. So we will see the most important part is the number 3, the trade unlock. So I will show you here a token which have 3 anti-bot features. The first feature we can see when we try to read the contract is the max TX amount. So max TX amount, that means you cannot buy more than this amount of token. So for this protection, what we have to do is copy here the amount of token, the maximum of token allowed to be bought, and then we paste it here in the amount field. And then we change here, we set through, because amount is token is through. We can set also a slippage if we want to set a slippage for this amount of token, because there is a detection price, and if the price changed by more than 50%, that means the bot will not buy it. Then there is also another protection here. We can read the code, and we can see there is a tax at launch plus 1 block. That means if you buy the token in the first block, like with a sniper, you will be taxed 99%. So to avoid this, we can also add a delay. Here we can use this parameter to set a delay of 3 seconds, so the bot will not buy before 3 seconds after the detection. And then there is also another feature, we can find it here. It's the developer have to launch a function to open the trading. So it's here. We have here the trading status, can be true or false. So the developer have to call this function to launch the token. So to detect this call to this function, what we have to do is go to the code and we check where is this function. So it's trading status, So we can see here only the owner can call this function. What we have to do is copy paste the first part here, the function name and the parameters. We copy it into the config file. We copy here into the mode 3 custom function, and then we close the file, we save, and then we can launch the bot. And here we select Pancake. We can use the mode 3 because we want to detect when the developer calls this function, and then we copy paste the address, and the bot at the detection will wait 3 seconds before to bypass the tax protection, and then will buy only the 25000 amount. We defined it before, so it will not buy more than the maximum of token we can buy. So this token had 3 protection, had a max TX amount, had a function the developer have to call, and also have a tax on the first blocks. So even with these 3 features of anti-bot features, we can still snipe this token with the Coyote bot, Chain Sniper bot. So most of the tokens, they don't use all these anti-bot features. Most are using only 1 or 2, but never 3 or 4 or 5. So anyway, even if there is 10 anti-bot features, you can still snipe this token by using all these functions I just show you. Okay, so now let's see, a last feature I include in the bot is the rug checker. So the rug checker is activated by default when you are in the sell mode. It will scan the contract every time someone attempts to remove liquidity from the contract. The bot will detect it in mempool and then try to front run the liquidity removal, so you will be able to sell your tokens before the liquidity is removed. So I will show you how it works by using a token I know the liquidity is often removed, is BUSD. So we will buy BUSD. Here is the contract address, so I just have to launch my bot. I will buy BUSD, and then so I go in the first mode, because when the token is already live, you can directly buy it by using the mode 1. I copy paste the address. So now the bot is buying the token. Voila, successful. Also, you can see approving token already approved because it's already approved, and we have also the rug checker activated. So now the bot is scanning the price, so I can sell anytime with my 4 hotkeys Q, W, E or R, and if there is any attempt of liquidity remove, the bot will detect it and will sell the token immediately. So we just have to wait. I know this token always have people adding and removing liquidity all the time, so we won't have to wait long. Voila, just now. So liquidity removed detected, and the bot already tried to sell the tokens. So that's it. We sold the tokens before the liquidity is removed, because the bot will use more gray. So your transaction will happen before the liquidity removal. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question, you can find my Discord address or my Telegram address here. It will be also in the description of the video. You can come and join our Discord community with the users. You will have also the link into the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next one. Bye bye.